A little birdie told me you're looking for that perfect potato pottage recipe. Here I am bringing it to you guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Healthy Foodies channel, the best place for healthy nutrition tips and tricks and healthy recipes just like this one. To begin, you want to peel and cut your potatoes into tiny bits. Okay, you just want like bite size kind of size. I don't know what that means, but nothing too chunky. I personally do not like chunky potatoes or yam, depending on whatever porridge I'm making. All right, so you just do that, and once you are done, you know how you'll be peeling potatoes and then the color is changing. You're seeing some funny black things on the body of the potato as you are peeling it. Well, it's a very simple scientific process. It's called oxidation. The chemicals in the potato is reacting with the air, and then you get this color. As you can see, the color begins to change. I'm just showing it to you on the peel because I have a sweet hack for you. So if you do not want this, all you have to do is cut your potatoes directly into a bowl of water. Just make sure you are submerging it into water immediately as you are cutting. Another tip is to wash it before you start the peeling process. And all you have to do is pour that into a pot. I like to go in with some onions and just allow that to boil for a minute. Once it boils to a certain point, just go ahead to season that with some seasoning powder, some salt, and some grounded pepper. That's all I did here. And then add a little bit of oil, just a little bit of oil here, because this is not the only oil we are going to be using for this recipe. Just tuck that in very gently and allow it to cook further until the potato is completely softened. It's looking very watery here, and the way to thicken this is to just take some of the potatoes, mash them, pour it back into the pot. That would help to thicken it, or you just reduce the water. To show you how to make this secret sauce that works perfectly with any pottage, like it's going to take your pottage game from 0 to 100 real quick. All you have to do is place a pan on the stove and then pour in the extra palm oil I told you we were going to use, and then pour in some grounded crayfish and some smoked fish. You can use any other protein of your choice that's left to you. Give that a good stir and then go in with this pepper mix. This has tomato, tatashe, and real bell pepper, okay, or shombo, I think that's what it's called. Just stir that very well and allow it to fry. How would you know it is well fried? The oil begins to settle on the top of the sauce, and that's when you know that this sauce is well fried. And then I added some onions. Remember, we added onions while we were boiling the potatoes. Those would have been overcooked. That's why I am adding these onions at this point only, so that I still have some crunchy bites while I am eating. And then you want to season that with some seasoning powder, some salt, and just adjust the seasoning to your taste. Stir that, let it cook for a while. Now bring back the potato pot and pour in all of that goodness into the pot. You guys, this will automatically take this potato pottage from 0 to 100 real quick. You can use this for beans, yam, whatever pottage you are making. This works very well for it. Okay, let's give that a good stir. Adjust the seasoning as as you see necessary, and everything is completely done. Can you see the gorgeousness of this dish? Once you leave this now to settle, it thickens even more. So I don't know why people be eating dry, pottage. I mean, don't you choke? I just adjusted the seasoning with some salt, and that was it. This food is ready. It is super delicious, very healthy because potatoes are healthy sources of vitamin A. This dish as it is very rich in vitamin A because of the palm oil and the potatoes. If you have issues with your eyesight, this dish is one of your go-tos. Now look at that. Now this is what a normal porridge or pottage should look like. Anyways, just serve that. I served mine with some fish and garnished that up, and voila, this dish is ready to enjoy. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes, you guys, and you would be glad you did. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do not forget to nourish, flourish, and glow. Bye. Mwah.